I just got this Cretacolor set, and I'm assuming that it contains colored oil-based charcoal pencils. I'm not very sure, but I'm just assuming because on this set, I have the regular Cretacolor Nero, the black, the soft and extra soft, and I have this brown, beautiful brown colors plus the white chalk. So let's try these pencils if it will work. And I'm not sure how to use it, but let's find out on this particular drawing study. Because this set contains white chalk, so I decided to try it on a toned paper. This is the Strathmore Mixed Media Toned Tan paper because I want to be able to use the white. So first of all, I really encourage, if you are a graphite or charcoal artist, if you want to try or to experience something different, I would like to encourage you to draw using toned papers. We have toned gray or toned tan paper that you can try because you will be able to use a white pencil. It's really very enjoyable to use on your shading white pencil because you are the ones who put the highlights instead of erasing the highlights and to expose the whiteness of the paper for your highlights. So it's a different fun experience to use tone paper. Let's go back to this set. It contains 6 pieces of an oil-based pencils. I'm not sure if like this one, the first pencil that I decide to use is not the black. I decide to use the sepia dark oil. So I'm just assuming that this is a colored charcoal, a brown toned charcoal oil based. Maybe it's not. So I think I need to do some more research with this pencil. But as you can see, if you were able to follow my tutorials using Cretacolor Nero pencils, it behaves like exactly just like the oil based charcoal Cretacolor Nero. This sepia dark oil pencil, it's exactly like that, but it's a very dark brown tone, which is very good. It layers very nice, very smoothly on paper, so it shades really well and very quick to use, just like the regular black Cretacolor oil based charcoal pencil. And surprisingly, just like the Cretacolor, it doesn't break easily. Even I'm using a regular handheld sharpener, it doesn't break at all. So the lead is very strong, and it really feels oil pencil because it's not as powdery as the regular charcoal pencil. So first of all, I want to use my indenting tool for the hair because his hair, Wonka's hair has a lot of highlights or individual white hair, so I use the indenting tool for that. And now I'm still using the sepia dark oil, so it looks like black, but it's not. It's a very dark brown. So I decided to start with this because I'm not sure what pencil to use first, but my feeling just tell me to use the dark brown first, and then I decided to put on some highlights already using the white chalk. So this is still part of the set of that 6-piece oil-based pencil set, the white chalk. It's very different from the General's white charcoal pencil because it's oily. It feels like a white colored pencil. It's just like a white polychromos, but it's a little bit softer, and I think this is going to be a little bit blendable compared to colored pencil because again, I'm assuming that this is a white charcoal pencil, except that this is an oil-based. Now I'm using the regular Cretacolor Nero, the regular Cretacolor on the set. This is the soft Nero, Cretacolor Nero. So again, the first pencil that I use on my shading is the sepia dark, and now I'm using the regular Nero, the Cretacolor Nero, to add contrast on my drawing. So it's really nice. The soft, surprisingly, when I use this, I don't know if I can use the soft, rather if I can use the regular sharpener for this soft pencil, but it really is very strong. Even if it is soft, it doesn't break on a regular handheld single hole sharpener, and it's very nice, very soft and very dark right here. And part of the set also is the extra soft that I'm gonna be using maybe later, but for now I'm just adding contrast to my drawing. Use above the first shade that I put, the sepia, is this black Cretacolor Nero. Again, this is part of that 6-piece set that I never thought I would find on a regular art shop here in the Philippines. This Cretacolor, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is from Austria. This is an Austrian brand of pencil, and I really love this Cretacolor pencils, but I never realized that it has a colored pencil, or if I can call it a colored charcoal. So it's really nice. And if you are a graphite or charcoal pencil artist, this is something that you will enjoy because I'm enjoying it surprisingly. I never I first At first I feel a little bit not very confident on shading with these pencils, with this charcoal that has color in it. It's not as colored as colored pencils, but it's going to be like a very nice monochromatic sepia style of drawing. Like it's going to give a classic appeal or look. So if you are a charcoal or black and white pencil artist and you want to try something new, I think you will enjoy this one because let's face it, sometimes regular black and white portraits are a little bit boring at times, but here it's something, if you're an adventurous, this is something that you must try also. So now I'm using the lighter sepia here. This is the sepia light oil, so I'm assuming this is sepia oil based charcoal pencil. Again, this is still a Cretacolor, part of the set that I bought, and it's giving a very nice lighter reddish tone to the skin tone, and that separates, you know, the shading from the regular graphite and charcoal that you usually do. This is so exciting. While doing this, I really love this, and because these pencils are oil based, it's going to give you the opportunity to do very detailed realistic drawings. Even if some of the pencils are colored or toned, it still behaves just like the regular Cretacolor Nero, and it really looks really good, I think, at this point. But let me add some more shade right here. So if you are an artist who want to explore something new, something different, something that you will be challenged, I think this is a very nice set of pencil to try. I'm not sure if this Cretacolor's oil-based set 6-piece is available on your country, but I'm surprised to find it on a local art shop here in the Philippines. I never had second thought. I just purchased it and so excited to try it because I love the regular black and white Cretacolor drawings that I did using Cretacolor brand. And when I find out that there are pencils with colors or with tone that are oil based, I really I'm really very excited to try it. And at this point of the drawing, I'm so happy with the result that I'm getting right here because this is doesn't look like a regular black and white charcoal or graphite portrait that you can achieve. So I think I'm gonna be doing lots of studies with these pencils. Next time I'm gonna try it on a white paper if it's going to work on a white paper. But at this point, I'm adding this Posca white pen. This is very useful for very high contrast, very deep highlights or whiteness that you want to achieve. You can use this Posca white pen. It doesn't run out of white ink for your drawings. So wow, this is really nice. I love this. I'm excited to try this set on many other drawings and experiments. Thanks for watching.